Hey guys, Shane from AF Customs. I want to show you our new M8 center stand that we just finished up. Uh, when you get the center stand, it's basically going to come like this. It's not going to have the compressor in it, obviously. That's part of your air ride, but it does have the compressor brackets, and it'll be fully assembled just like this. All the bracketry will be on it. You'll have to take these two bolts out so that you can rock your compressor into the mounts. But once you get the compressor in the mounts, then you're going to put these bolts back in with blue Loctite, and then pretty much the stand is ready to go in. So like I said, all the legs, everything's going to come pre-assembled, all Loctited, ready to go, ready to install. Comes with it's going to come with a packet of hardware and the wire harness and everything you need for the rest of the install, and a instruction sheet. And basically I'm going to run through this pretty quick. We're going to show you everything that this instruction is saying. So here's the packet, and it tells you exactly what goes where, and what it's for, so you know where to start. So saying that, we're going to come down here and we're going to look at the bottom of the transmission. We've already cleaned this bike up so you can see. Normally the canister goes right here from factory, so you're going to remove your canister, and then you're going to remove these three rear bolts on the transmission pan. We do supply them, which are these bolts here. These are going to be your bolts, your new bolts for your install for the transmission pan, and these bolts are the top ones for where the canister goes. So on the center stand here, these are your three bolts right here, and those two bolts are going to go where your canister goes. So with these 5 bolts, you're going to bolt the stand into the back side of the transmission. So with everything put together, when you have your compressor in the stand, this will go right in. You don't have to do anything. Let me pull this down. This bolts right into that area right there. It just goes right in. You don't have to take anything else off. So you'll slide the hardware that we give you onto the 3 bolts that go in here, and then you'll put the 2 top bolts in, and then basically the stand is installed. So then you'll take this wire and run it up the side here, and you're going to run it along here through there, and it's going to attach to your wherever your air ride is set up at. I don't know that because we didn't. Everybody's air ride will be a little different, but ours is right here. So we would bring the compressor wire up and the motor wires up right here. And then when you get the wire harness, let me go get one really quick. So here's a wire harness. You're gonna take the wire harness and you're gonna run the positive and negative through the center, right through here, right behind the cylinder head, underneath the shock. So you're gonna run it right through there, and you're gonna bring it to your battery, and you're gonna attach the positive and negative to your battery. There's already a harness installed, so I wanted to show you where the plug is for the motor. So this is where your motor's at. So when you run your wires up through here, and you're going to zip tie them along here, you're going to connect your motor right to this wire here, and that's part of this harness. So you can kind of see where things are going, and then come around the other side of the bike. You'll run your switch up here. This one's kind of just sitting here because we haven't fully installed this on this bike, but this is the wire, and you're gonna attach it to the rest of your wires and your looms that you got there, and then we offer this switch mount to go along with your air ride, and you're gonna install your center stand switch here. So our harness is designed for our mount. So it's a pretty quick and easy deal. You should be able to install this fairly quick. We are doing a couple of options so that we have longer legs for the fat boys and the breakouts. Right now we have the standard, deluxe, heritage. This happens to be a street bob. We have those models available now. The fat boys available. We are working on the breakout model. So, but like I said, everything is all modular. It all goes in. All your hardware is here. It's super simple. You're going to use your factory specs when you tighten these 3 bolts back up for the transmission pan. You're going to use your factory specs for that, and as well as this. So once these 5 bolts are in, slide it in. This thing's a bang deal. It goes in quick. It operates quickly, and there you go. So we have them available now. They're on our website at afcustoms.com, or you can contact us on Facebook and Instagram at AF Customs. Thanks, guys.